Welcome back to the classroom. In this lesson, we're going to talk about when a computer is actually worth fixing. This is one of the most practical questions in computer repair because not every machine makes sense to repair. Sometimes a repair is clearly worth doing. Sometimes a simple upgrade can make an older system much better. And sometimes the age, condition, and the cost of the repair make replacement the smarter choice. Learning how to think through that decision is a very important real-world skill. One of the first things to consider is how old the machine is. Age by itself does not automatically mean a computer is not worth fixing, but it does matter. An older computer may still be perfectly usable for basic tasks like web browsing, email, or basic schoolwork. But on the other hand, if the machine is very outdated, has weak hardware, or no longer supports modern software, then putting a lot of money into it may not make much sense. The goal is not to see if it can be fixed, but to ask whether fixing it is actually a smart use of time and money. Another big factor is what the user needs the computer for. A basic machine that feels too slow for one person might still be fine for someone else. For example, a basic older laptop might still work well for light internet use, writing documents, or remote learning. But that same machine may not be a good fit for gaming, video editing, business use, or anything more demanding. So before deciding whether repair is worth it, it helps to ask what the computer actually needs to do. A repair decision should match the real world purpose of the machine. You also want to think about the likely repair cost and whether a simple upgrade could actually help. Sometimes the problem is small, like a failing hard drive, low RAM, just dust buildup, or an aging battery. In those cases, a basic repair or upgrade may breathe new life into the system without costing too much. Replacing an old hard drive with an SSD, for example, can make a computer feel dramatically faster. But if the machine needs multiple expensive parts, has major water damage, or has several other things going on at once, then the total cost can start to outweigh the value of keeping it. So my rule of thumb here is that if a repair exceeds $250, I usually have a more serious conversation with the customer just to weigh out their options. Another important consideration is whether important data or workflow depends on the machine. If the computer contains valuable files, business information, family photos, taxes, or software setup that would be hard to replace, that may make the repair more worthwhile. Even if the machine itself is older, recovering the data or getting it running long enough to protect that information can still be very valuable. So in some cases, the answer may be not a full repair at all. It may be to simply get the system stable enough to back up the data and then help the user move on to something new, refurbished, what have you. All right, so the big lesson here is that this topic is not about one magic rule. It's about learning good judgment. A real tech is not just someone who knows how to replace parts. A good tech also knows how to think practically, weigh the situation, and recommend the option that makes the most sense for the client. Sometimes that means repair, sometimes it means upgrades, sometimes it means replacement. The best answer is usually the one that balances cost, usefulness, reliability, and meets the user's actual needs. So to recap, deciding whether a computer is worth fixing depends on several practical factors, including the age of a machine, what the user needs it for, the likely repair cost, whether a simple upgrade could actually help, or whether important data is dependent on it. Not every computer should automatically be repaired, but not every older computer should automatically be replaced either. The goal is to make a smart, realistic decision based on the full situation.